In an update on the Mindanao State University bombing, the Philippine National Police has released the photos and identities of the two suspects involved in the incident. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, the suspects are identified as Kadapo Mimbesa, alias Engineer, and Arsan Membisa, alias Katab, Hatab, and Lapitos.
Nag-review po tayo ng mga CCTV outside the MSU at nakita po natin yung dalawang POIs na sighted po sila na mga around 6:27 papunta na po sa MSU Gymnasium. At bago po nangyari yung pagsabog ay nakita po sila itong dalawa nating POIs na papalabas ng MSU at yung isang POI po natin ay it appears na tumawag po siya at ganamit yung cellphone niya that might have triggered po itong pagsabog po at immediately ay umalis po kaagad-agad sila ng MSU pagkatapos po nilang gumamit po ng telepono yung isa sa mga POIs po natin.
Both individuals have pending arrest warrants for a murder case. Colonel Fajardo revealed that the bombing was initiated through a command using a cellular phone. The explosives used in the incident were identified as 60mm mortar and rocket-propelled grenades with high explosives known as TNT.